Good morning. Buenos dias. Guten Morgen. Welcome to another exciting painting with Brian in lovely, super hot, disgustingly gross, warm southern Wisconsin. Yes, I'm doing this early so that I can not go outside all day on today's Labor Day here, so luckily I have the day off, so I get to spend the day with you wonderful people. So just to warn you, I forgot to order more Floetrol, so I had to go to the Big W store and get this garbage. I shouldn't say it's garbage, I haven't even tried it yet. So it's apple barrel pouring medium. It's very liquidy. So all the stuff I mixed is a lot more liquidy than it usually is. This was like $11 for 16 fluid ounces. A 64 ounce was $25. This big huge thing that I can get off Amazon is usually somewhere in the range of $22, and I get a lot more out of it. So I don't know if this is supposed to be mixed a little closer to 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 with the paint. Usually the Floetrol is 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol. So since it was so liquidy, I decided I would use the nicer paint. So I have permanent magenta, I have vermilion hue, just vermilion hue, yellow ochre, cerulean blue, and violet. Oops, which is getting all over me. Now I have paint all over. All right, that's okay. That's how people know that you're an artist. You have paint everywhere. So this is the white. It's as you can see, a little thinner than usual. So we'll see how that goes. I see a lot more air bubbles than I usually get. You can probably also tell that I am reusing a canvas. This is one that didn't turn out so great, and it also I didn't store it, or I didn't put it somewhere to dry flat, so it kind of slid off, and so it had some unintentional texture. That was not good. So I scraped most of it off, literally, with a knife, and then painted it over it. So jeez. I'm gonna say it also didn't, the paint didn't mix in very well. It took a lot of stirring. Kind of like when I used water. Anyway, so we're gonna try this. Oh geez, yeah, this is going real well already. Jeez. dislike this stuff already. But you never know, this might be the start of something new and exciting and beautiful. What is going on? This is supposed to be fluid art, not drip art. Not sure why it's doing that. All right, positive thoughts. Positive thoughts. Ugh. Yep. This is not doing wonders for my mental health. Which is why I started painting. Alright, so we're just going to swipe over it with this lovely black. And hopefully I get something better than what this looks like now. Which wouldn't take much. Because right now it looks like garbage. Well, at least the color is holding up nicely. That's good. Ooh. Yeah, this is a little bit liquidy. Unfortunately, I can see spots where the paint didn't mix right. Which may or may not dry properly. So let's see. We have a nice big chunk of something there. And I got one here. Let's see, any other gigantic chunks of something? Yeah. Oop. All right, so It's better than I thought it would be. I had pretty low expectations after I saw how liquidy it was, but it's not too bad. We'll have to see how all these weird chunks in here dry, where the paint just didn't mix very well with this apple barrel pouring medium. But anyway, it's not bad. I think next time I'll have to watch the consistency of it, make sure it's not too liquidy. But anyway, in a pinch, and if you're out of what you normally use, it'll work. But don't do what I did and wait till the last minute to order something, because you're just wandering around the house aimlessly lost, because you can't motivate yourself. That's what happens when you enjoy what you're doing, and you have a lot of people watching videos, but something is missing. So let's see if I can get back to that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you have a beautiful day. Go paint something. Try not to do laundry while you're doing your video so you get annoying noises in the background. Anyway, thanks for watching.